Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will talk about learning. It is not just about getting things right on the first try. Real learning is a process, a journey that involves efforts, mistakes, reflections, and the constant refining of strategies. Let's find what this means in the context of school education and see some example how this play out in the real classroom. Let's start with the idea that learning is a process. This means it unfolds over time through different stages. It is not about instant success, but about gradual progress. This first part of this process is effort. Learning required hard work and dedication. For example, let's say a student is learning how to solve algebraic equation. At first, they might find it confusing and make several mistakes. But with efforts through practice, asking questions, and stay committed, they begin to understand the step involved. This leads us to the next part of the process, mistakes. Mistakes are not just expected, they are essential in learning. When students make mistakes, they are allowed to see where their understanding falls short and where they need to focus their effort. This is where reflection comes in. Reflection is about taking the time to think about what went wrong and why. It is about understanding the mistake, not just correcting it. In our science experiment example, the student take a step back to analyze what didn't work, which helped them gain a deeper understanding of the scientific principle at play. Finally, the process involves the refinement of strategies. After reflecting on what didn't work, a student can adjust their approach, try new strategies, and refine their methods. For instance, a student working on an essay might analyze that their argument wasn't clear enough. After reflecting, they decide to recognize their paragraph and strengthen their thesis. This refinement leads to a better and more polished final product. The beauty of this process is that in turn challenges into opportunity. When students understand that their learning is about effort, mistakes, reflection, and refinement, they are less likely to get discouraged when things didn't go perfectly the first time. Instead, they see each mistake as a step forward, not a step back. So, how can we apply this in school education? As educator, we can encourage students to embrace the learning process by creating an environment where effort is valued. Mistakes are seen as learning opportunities, and reflection is a regular part of the classroom experience. Teachers can model this process by sharing their own experience with mistakes and learning, and by giving a student time and space to reflect on their work. This could be through journaling, group discussions, or one-on-one feedback session. Learning is a process that involves efforts, mistakes, reflection, and refinement of strategies. Let this approach guide your teaching and learning journey. Remember, learning is a journey, so embrace the process and keep moving forward. Thank you for watching our channel.